Lecture 12 Introduction to Logic. Hi there! Today we're going to talk about logic, a super cool way of thinking that helps us solve problems and make good decisions. After learning this lecture, students will be able to explain the logic, apply logic and logical reasoning to solve different real-life and computer problems. Explain and apply logical reasoning when solving different problems. What is logic? Logic is like a magic tool for your brain. It's all about using correct reasoning to make smart decisions. When you solve a problem, the way you think about it is called logic. Logical thinking helps us figure things out by using reasons. And guess what? There's almost always more than one way to solve a problem. Isn't that amazing? Why is logic important? Logic is super important because it helps us tell the difference between good and bad reasoning. It's a science that studies how to make the right decisions, and we use it every single day. Whether we're solving a math problem, planning something, or even deciding what to eat for lunch. Logic in computational thinking. Logic is also a big part of something called computational thinking, which includes steps like breaking things down into smaller pieces, decomposition, spotting patterns, pattern recognition, focusing on what's important, abstraction, and creating step-by-step solutions, algorithms. Together, these steps make solving problems easier and more fun. Let's see some examples. Example 1. Crossing the road. Imagine you need to cross the road. How will you do it? First, you'll look to your right to check for cars. Then, you'll look to your left. If it's safe, you'll look right again and cross. Easy, right? That's using logic to stay safe. Example 2. Adding numbers. Let's add 1 plus 4 plus 3. You could add 1 and 4 first, then add 3. Add 1 and 3 first, then add 4. Add 3 and 4 first, then add 1. No matter how you do it, the answer is always 8. Logic helps you pick a way that feels the easiest. Example 3. Drawing a square. How would you draw a square? One way is to start with the bottom, then draw the right, left, and top sides. Or you could start with the left side, then the bottom, the right, and the top. Everyone has their own way. That's what makes logic so cool. Example 4. Drawing a smiley face. Let's try drawing a smiley face. Did you know everyone has their own way of doing it? One person might start by drawing a circle, then the eyes, and finally the smile. Someone else might start with the eyes, add the smile, and then draw the circle. Another way is to draw the circle, the smile, and then the eyes. Cool, right? No matter how we do it, the result is the same. A happy smiley face. This shows how we all have our unique logic to solve problems. How do we solve problems? Did you notice something cool about all these examples? Even though we all have different ways of solving problems, we always get the correct answer. That's because our brains think differently, and we use logic in our own special way. What is logical thinking? Logical thinking helps us learn and make smart decisions. It's like a superpower for your brain. In simple words, logic is the study of reasoning, especially when it comes to making decisions. When you solve puzzles, answer tricky questions, or even decide what to do next, logical thinking helps you figure it out. What is logical reasoning? Logical reasoning is the ability to think through problems step by step. It's like being a detective and solving mysteries. For example, in computer science, logical reasoning helps create cool programs and algorithms. In games, it helps solve riddles and puzzles by figuring out the rules and using the information you have. Why is logical thinking important? Logical thinking is important because it makes us better at learning and solving problems. Every person's brain works differently, and that's what makes us unique. The next time you face a problem, remember, your logic is your greatest tool. See you the next time and keep shining. Thank you.